So today is Sunday, March 10, 2024, and I decided to do a little retake of the video I made last night. I'm gonna turn the sound off, but this is a neighbor's light glaring at me, and I'm gonna go outside, and that is a tree where it gets placed at night, pretty high up. Here is one light down below, but it gets placed higher up at night. And so when I sit down, that light, I let the bushes grow out, that light is raised high up above to actually shine right at me. And in reality, when that happens, that is more than just a light. It's seems to me it's some kind of device that causes my body to heat up, so it generates microwave energy. So I'm gonna just play this video without a sound from last night. It was taken 8:18 p.m. and this was taken from my patio. So this particular thing was literally glaring in my face. So this change from that to this, literally aimed at me, blinding me. So, and then I'm gonna move video to basically show actually, so that's this is a fence, and this is, that light is placed on the tree. I think someplace at some point I moved to my seat. So this light is literally flashing and causing pulses. So this light is pulsing, and I need to find the spot where, so that's from my patio. Literally, it looks much smaller, shining over the bushes. It has been raised to literally blast straight at me. Now I'm gonna go, that is a screenshot from the video. That is absolutely not normal light. These are screenshots from that same video. These are readings inside my living room, 37 milligauss EMF. It says Wi-Fi phone. It's not from Wi-Fi phone. It eventually says power line. So this one is in my bedroom, 28.5 milligauss. Normal is under 2.5 milligauss. So this one again is a longer time I spend in my bedroom on the east end of the house. The EMF raised to 42.6 milligauss. Once again, normal under 2.5. Electrical frequencies are 54 volts per meter, and radio frequencies 20 milliwatts per meter squared. Normal is for radio frequencies 3. For electrical frequencies next to the appliance, normal is 10 volts per meter. So those are, all of them are very high readings, but especially EMF is on a dangerous level. In the graph before the power line, This little graph, it shows that it is microwave energy coming in that flat line. So that is using directional antennas to cause harm. So my neighbor is suspected contract killing, and killing with high levels of radiation is, I guess, ideal way to kill somebody while torturing. So this is, I'm gonna go into this video that shows these flashes on my surveillance camera. So it's periodically flares up. And here was also, I see March 9th, here was a strange flashes in my backyard. So little later here shows up, here is also a thing built on the yard house in their backyard, which again looks, I'm coming up to this. So these things, they just lit up on the right side of the bush. It is on their yard house. Once again, that looks more like an energy weapon rather than a regular yard light. And now I'm gonna just scroll to the car portion. Yeah, this interruption was a hacker. Just literally turns my screen off. So I'm gonna, they're a little more careful with the card placement, but I need to go a little closer here. So this is March 5th. Here are all bunch of, let's see if I can zoom in on this. So these two right here on the top, those are wireless directional antennas, and the things lit up on this video. Let me go back. Here are things, all kinds of things lighting up on that car, on the bumper, on the side of the car. Those again are electronic devices that work as a relay. I think I had someplace, yeah, right here. Here is a Jeep, and it's loaded with, you can see lasers pulsing on the side of the door. So let me go a little back, and I'm in the front of the Jeep, and that's where pretty much it decides which part of the body to hit. The reason why I'm saying that, because I was observing that once I was waiting for Ford dealership to pick up my car, he got in the Jeep, went a couple times to the back seat, and then went to the front tablet, and second time after he went to front tablet, here were attacks towards my head. And I have another video where basically you can see whole bunch of electronic devices in the back seat and things being placed on the hood. Also car parking to pretty much place device on the hood, but by parking or by hand to match particular spot on the date. So here's another device right here on the, a couple of lasers can be seen on the Jeep. So Jeep probably still continues at system motherboard. And these are here electronic devices or device in the wheel wells. There is also a flexible patch placed on the tire itself. It's blinking. And here is, you can see lasers running up and down, reacting to pixelated out spot on the tire. So yeah, and so these are numbers inside my house. Normal is 25, under 2.5 millivolts per and this picture is that same light where I started video. So when I zoom in, so this is bottom, it is rotational base. Here is this indentation right here, that is part of the rotational base. So that light, or I shall say directional energy weapon, hits my AC fan on the west side of the house, on the east side of the house, and it also hits my CCTV equipment for a video deletion, but once in a while they do fail, and I just made another video where hacker actually, while I'm videotaping my CCTV events, actually deletes the footage. So that is a rotational device, and I'm gonna go back to, so yeah, so you can see pulses coming my way. So yeah, this neighbor actually, so this neighbor is basically dangerous neighbor. I would not be surprised that he's also related to some sort of cartel, which Arizona is very famous for cartel activity. So that's probably about it what I wanted to show today. But yeah, the guy is using dangerous weapons, basically antenna systems, to harass its own neighbor, besides the illegal entries in the house and the backyard to cause the damage, basically deleting CCTV footage and all kinds of other things happening. So this footage was taken March 9th, 2024 at 8:18 p.m. And once again, you see pulsing coming from this device.